work out because I'm going on my trips in Aruba. I'm still going.
I don't want nobody else,
no. And you know you are just don't want to touch nothing. No.
So they closed our Culver City stairs, so we can't do that. We can't do no trails out here in LA. So we're gonna do these stairs, come back down, and that's gonna be our exercise. Ready? Come on, Mom.
Why you gotta do it cute? Oh, I know you're not done. Let's go. Two, one more. So we're gonna do this about 4 more times. Gotta do it twice a day.
Hey guys, you want me on camera?
No, I do not.
She won't be on camera. So we just took a long 2-hour walk.
Oh God, it's not 2 hours.
It felt like 2 hours. We walking. Now we at Target, we had to pick up some stuff. But we're trying to stay active and get fresh air because, you know, locking in the house is not it, guys. And I do suggest that everybody take at least 15, 20, 30 minutes even walk around your block, whatever. Because, yeah, we don't want to gain weight. All we do is been eating, so we cut that out the first week. We're not doing it. Yeah, I'm out of breath, guys. I kind of want some Starbucks, too. You guys know I'm addicted. And I have a gift card. So anyway, I've been uploading every day since the quarantine, and if you have not caught up on all my vlogs, I'm gonna put a link in the description box so you can check it out, get to know me more, subscribe, comment, and like. Show me on camera. I got you. So it's a lot of people here. I'm surprised, and I'm surprised.
California hard headed.
Yeah, we hard headed. Look at us. We've been going out. I'm gonna show you the parking lot. Look how packed it is. The Rona's not gonna stop us. And you know what? They just said that it might last, well, it is gonna last all the way to Easter weekend.
Like the governor says.
2 months. Governor of California. They took all the chairs out of Starbucks too. We can't even sit down like a normal citizen. It is so cold. I need another jacket. We take an hour-long walk. Hour-long walk, guys. Oh, okay, thank you. They clean them for us. It seems like we've been going to the grocery store every day.
We haven't.
Well, every other day. We just need 2 things because we're walking. It seems like you can't hear me. You can hear me? Alright, so we finally got what we needed. Still no toilet tissue, so we have to head home and cook dinner.
You want to watch the kids really at a time.
I'm gonna dry my face and I'll be right back. So I just washed my face. I just put some Vaseline on my lips and now I'm gonna put a mask on. So since today, so I'm going to make today my skincare / organizing the house or the room. Yesterday I organized in an attempt to declutter my bedroom. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, it was hilarious. It's up now. And so today I'm going to organize this room. This room is actually a makeup room, YouTube studio, and storage for Bourgeois Boutique. And Bourgeois Boutique is an online business that me and Mom started. So I'm going to put the link in the description box and a discount code for you guys. But this room, I always say it, majority of all my vlogs when I'm doing makeup tutorials, I'm always talking about this room, how it's not organized and I need to get it together. And now since we have so much time on our hands and we can't go anywhere, I'm gonna make today that day to get this together. But I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna put today's my skincare routine and a little spring cleaner. I feel like this is not enough in one little pack, or I'm probably just not dividing it well enough. Since we have been stuck in the house, I'm really not that mad about it. It's giving me a chance to focus on my business and YouTube. I do say that. And I have been neglecting my skincare routine, so I'm sorry about that noise. So I have been neglecting my skincare routine, so this is getting better now, and I need to focus. All I need to, I keep on saying focus. I really need to do is watch out on my overeating and working out. That's something I need to really focus on now. But since it's like we can't go to the gym, and I do not like working out at home, so me and my mom have been trying to work out outside. It's been a challenge because it's been so busy outside. Like, I'm not busy as in, I'm talking about like everybody is doing the same thing that we're doing. They won't be stuck in the house neither. So this doesn't have enough in here. It's okay. We'll make the best of it. This is good enough. I got the main parts that I need to cover. And I'm gonna put all the information if you want to. Oh, it's more at the bottom. There's more coming out, like a little. I'll put it on my nose. Literally have to squeeze everything out of this little thing. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna make some coffee, and then we're gonna get started cleaning. Well, organizing. Hey guys, so I'm still on the ground right now. I'm about to sort out all the new arrivals for Bourgeois Boutique. And if you guys don't know what Bourgeois Boutique is, it's an online store that me and my mother started. Our clothes is everything. If you have not checked our clothes out, I'm gonna put the link in the description box and the discount code for you guys. And these two outfits right here are on the site too. You guys can't really tell, but I'm going to put everything, and you guys need to check us out. That's it. So, this is a lot of clothes. Half of these clothes, well, majority, all this stuff right here has not been on the website. So our business has been slow since the coronavirus, but before that it was slowing down, but I need to do better. I just need to work harder. So now that the coronavirus is full effect and everybody's quarantined, our sales has decreased. So I'm like, I don't know if I should put these up yet on the website or wait till this blows over. So that's the dilemma I'm going through right now with that. But yeah, it's hard. It's hard, but like I said in my last vlog, if you guys didn't see it, I did say that this is the perfect time to start a YouTube channel or a business, and I really do feel that this is the perfect time to do it. If you do start a business or YouTube during this time, it's perfect because you can promote it. Everybody's home, and then you don't have the pressures of going to work. You can just really focus on that. And I do suggest everybody to start a business or a YouTube channel. I do suggest it. So, okay, I don't know where to start. Hold on. Okay, so all the clothes that are on here, so when I do get a piece of new inventory, I do take a piece for myself. So these 2 pieces are for me. I put it on the mannequin so I can just look at it, and this is another way for me to promote it. But since my vacation has been canceled, I had 4 trips planned. 3 of them have been canceled. 1 is still in the air. We find out Monday if it's canceled as well. But this was for my vacation. But whatever. Now we have to wait. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, and this waist trainer that I have on now is from Look She's Pretty. I did a review on this a while back. You guys check it out. You want to say hi to the camera? My baby. Hold on. You want to say hi? Look, shake. Okay. You don't want to be bothered. All this stuff. No, don't go over there. Okay. I'm tired already. We have all these new hats as well. I love hats. You guys, if you guys are new to my channel, if you haven't, of course you don't know me yet, but yeah, I love hats. Hats are my thing. Okay, so I have another tip for you guys. So if you have a business and you have your spare room is where you store it, or whatever you store it, you have to think about how will you store it. That makes sense. So when you store, you want to make sure it's flat like this, because if you just throw it like any other way, it's gonna be wrinkled when they open it. So always have it wherever you store it at, have it faced like this. So I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna show you how I store all my stuff, and it's all in the closet, and I have more stuff back here. So and another thing about another thing about business, so you don't want to have too much inventory. And that's where we failed at, but we have a lot of inventory, but we do pop-up shops. So if you guys don't know, our pop-up shops are always in the summer. I'm gonna put a couple links to our previous pop-up shops so you guys can get the feel what we do. So that's why we have a lot of inventory, because we need to have a lot of stuff at this pop-up shop. And oh, I have this accessories I need to go through. Okay. And also, I just lost my whole train of thought, guys. Oh yeah, so another reason why we have a lot of inventory is 2 businesses in one. So Bourgeois Boutique, we cater to regular sizes and plus sizes. I focus on the regular size, my mom focuses on the plus size side. So it looks like we have a lot of inventory, but it's technically 2 businesses in one. So a lot of people, so I don't know. Okay. And our clothes are so cute. It's like, I have some clothes that, well, all the clothes is bomb. And that thing, you don't want to put all black clothes together. We have a lot of black clothes. Black clothes is like, I need to figure out how many to put them into accessories. But black clothes is everything. I love black clothes. And I do, a lot of people say you shouldn't, but I do buy stuff for me. But a lot of people like my style, so it's like, it's a plus. Alright, so I'm gonna finish organizing this, and then I'm gonna talk to you later, because I'm not getting anything done right now. Even though the coronavirus had happened, it did force me to do better with my business and with YouTube. It did. It forced me, because like you can't do anything else but take walks and stuff. I'm like, okay, I finally see the bottom of the ground. I'm gonna save my bag here. Alright, so the rest is, oh my god, there's stuff over here too. Okay, so I need to, okay, now all the dresses are right here. I'm gonna put them in the closet. Okay, finish my coffee. Hey guys, so the clothes is all organized. Right now I am about to go edit some vlogs, and then every day it's going to be a vlog of life, so make sure you guys are subscribed.